Number 31. Wow. Okay, the Patriots have taken, and I'm going to nail the name this time. All right, here we go. Sony Michel.
You got it right.
Do you know why? God gave the Patriots that guy to piss me off forever because I can't say his name correctly, but they take the running back out of Georgia. I don't know why they took a running back. The last time they took a running back in the first round was Lawrence Maroney way back in 2008. But they take the kid who was incredible for Georgia last year. But we got the report yesterday that he has bone on bone in his knee like Jay Ajayi. That dropped into the 5th round. But the Patriots take 2 players from that Georgia team that made it all the way to the national championship.
Oh, no,
Tom,
Oh, no, BB. What is you doing?
Not great, Tom.
What is you doing,
Not
BB?
great.
Oh, my goodness. Taking a running back? You got Mike Gillislee. You got James White, who you just paid. You got Rex Burkhead. Why are you taking players that aren't immense value at non-positions of need? I know the Patriots are different. I know Belichick marches the beat of his own drum. But this is 4 or 5 years in a row now that they have taken first-round picks or early-round picks that I just do not understand.
I don't understand this pick.
None of these make sense, Harris. None of them do.
The Isaiah Wynn pick does make sense because they aren't going to want to pay Shaq Mason at the end of the offseason, and the connection with David Andrews of him being his center when he was at Georgia.
Take a guard in round 2.
It makes sense. This, to me, does not make sense. I cannot understand why a team that does not value skill position, they must think that Sony Michel is the best running back in this draft class outside of Barkley.
I guess, but even then, why? You don't need a running back. Why do you want a guy who conceivably could legitimately be the 4th RB off the bench? Now, I would assume you're going to cut Gillislee and Jeremy Hill too.
Bye-bye.
So you're going to have Burkhead, White, and Michel. I get getting more halfbacks. I like adding halfbacks. Not in the first round. I like Michel. I've got Michel number 39 overall. I like him a lot. He reminds me of Alvin Kamara at times. He can be a really good player for you. But you pass on Harold Landry. You pass on Darius Guice, who's better. You pass on Lamar Jackson for a running back? What are you doing, Belichick? I love you. You are the greatest coach of all time. What are you doing? I do not understand what he has done the past few years in the draft. I don't think he's done well. And when Brady's gone, they're going to suffer because without Brady, I don't think this team is very good. I really don't think that, Harris.
Well, the Patriots at pick number 31 have taken the electric running back out of Georgia, Sony Michel.